guys, and today we're doing a vlog video. First time doing YouTube. I think it's nice video, but it's gonna say Hayden Smith because I forgot to change the name. Sorry about that. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk. I'm gonna get that game videos, vlog videos, and toy videos. For game videos, there's a thing I need to get. So once I get that, I'll start doing game videos. Oh, there's a glitch. So yeah, the pause recording glitch I hit the pause recording and the video ends. It doesn't pause it. What the heck? And that used to work. It's a glitch going on. I don't know what the heck's going on. Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Ready to walk some creatures?
No, we're not gonna walk them, but it's just gonna be me and you.
What? I thought you wanted to walk the dogs.
Oh, you wanna walk them, Liz?
Yeah.
That's fine. I need my chocolates. Can you get my chocolates, Hayden?
Where are they?
They're in my bathroom.
In your... Okay, so yeah, I have a big house. I finally owned a house. I just owned Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go hunt. Yeah, we'll have to... And yep, but just... Yeah, there's one thing I need a warning about Battle Temple. It's pretty cool, but I heard there are a lot of... Yeah, I played it before I did YouTube, and yep, there are a lot of hackers. So you might be wondering, how do you kick out hackers? So it's they're targeting, cheating, double teaming, flying, doing the infinity health glitch, one-shotting, then you kick them out. So hit the select button, hit the slash button, and then click on the player's name, and then ask you want to hit OK if you want to kick them out. If you're wondering, you want to have to kick out. You okay, Trin?
Yes, he's okay. He's just excited.
Hi, creature. Gregory. Hi. Hi, did I?
Hey, buddy. Hey, tiny thief.
Did you fart? Trin, okay. Oh, Dad, you scared me. You scared me. What the heck?
Oh, okay.
Stop shaking your booty.
I'm right here. Okay.
What the heck, creature? Bruh! He's going nuts. He's crazy. We're gonna walk creature. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah. It's just fucking creature.
No.
Listen. I also got a belly button. Hey, what? Why are you setting the alarm? We're gonna be in the neighborhood.
I know. You never know.
Oh, I see a little king. What the heck?
We're outside.
Trinity! He likes to pull a lot, guys, if you're wondering. Dexter doesn't pull that much. But yeah,
Dexter's more on the way back.
Let's go up to the mailboxes and circle around.
I did John Cena.
And John Cena.
I'm gonna beat you guys. See you suckers. Oh, little piece of Bye. Bye. What the heck? Did you see that? I could see Trinity going crazy. But have you ever heard of your big fat butt? Hey, this guy's going nuts. Dexter, hey Dexter. Hi, Bax.
You just got corn dog.
Oh, you're gonna want a piece of me, girl? Oh, you got corn.
Oh wait, I got a hot dog. You.
Juke you out. I juked you out. Look at the juke out.
Come on, Dexter.
Oh my gosh, this dog is just going crazy. Dexter. He's trying to eat poop. One time, he ate poop while I was walking him. It was so funny. It was amazing. Yeah, he ate poop. That was so amazing. Like a pine tree. Look at his pines. The trees. But I can't see it. What's a hair in the way?
Does it look like it's gonna rain, Hayden?
No. It looks like it's clearing up.
Does it? Look at those clouds.
Oh my gosh, it's quicker.
Oh, Dexter, you're stuck.
Why does Dexter always get that stuck? He's sniffing a pine tree. He's shaking his booty. Did you see him shaking his booty at us? That is so... Hi, Trin. Hi, Borks. Borks! Oh my gosh, he's going to have a Dexter. Don't try to smell his butt. That's so wrong. That is so... Trin. He's a crazy... Yeah. Ruff! 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's gonna bark at your buns. Dexter. He's just gonna pee on the stop sign. Does he pee on every single pole he sees, or is it just me?
He would like to.
He would like to arc him. I just corn dog you, boy.
Boy, you must be out of your mind.
You must be out of your mind. Want me to knock some sense into you, boy? Yo.
Yo.
He's shaking his booty at me. Stop shaking your booty. It's so weird. Whoa! That creature! What is that creature? It's so hairy and big and fat. Just kidding, it's skinny. I just made zoomed in the chicken. Oh my gosh, is that? What are those creatures? What's? Have you ever heard of your? Oh my gosh, there's a clown over there. Oh wait, why does it look blurry to me? I don't get it. I don't get it. Sorry. Dexter, what the heck is going nuts? I wish I could say, oh, I want to zoom out, not zoom in. Sorry guys, I have a couple glitches on my video. Doesn't let me pause my recording. So that's the opposite I try to do. There's a clown here. It's not Halloween anymore. Why do you keep... Not Halloween, people. It's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving.
What do we eat at Thanksgiving?
Your mom. Say?
Oh!
Don't make that face at the viewers.
I'm not making it for the video.
What the heck? That looks like a battery, but it's just a piece of wood. Let's see how far I can throw it. Ha! It's right there. That was pretty far. That was not far. Stop barking, you dog! Sorry, just a creature barking at us.
The dogs do, they bark.
He's already tired. How would he get tired that fast, train? I don't get it. Yeah. Dexter. There's Dexter. It's just chewing away.
I didn't make it. I did not make a face.
Yep, he actually didn't make that sort. Yeah. Those dogs are just being crazy. I can't see. I can't see anything. It's super dark over here. I wish there was a flash. Wait, can you turn on the flash? Oh! Guys, I just turned on flash mode. You could see better. What about this mode? Okay, there's only 2 modes. I thought there was 3. You should want to take a picture. There's 3. And this one's 2. What the heck? Where are you, you dog? Creature. There is a creature. I said I'm bright mode. Ow! Sorry, I actually. Guys, if I hurt my. If you do bright mode, don't stick in your eyes because it might hurt your eyes and you might get blind. You know? Guys, look. Yeah. There's an Ekans pit. It's where Ekans and Arbok spawn. That's where all those things. Arbok! Wait. I'm gonna go down the pit.
No, go down the pit of doom.
The pit of Ekans. Okay. There's a snake! Oh my gosh! Dog, there's a freaking snake.
Where?
Over there. Haha, I tricked you. Sorry, please. It's called dibs. I poked myself by accident. Why do they always leave the garage door open? Did they take down that decoration?
Oh wow, they took them all down.
Yeah.
That's pretty fast. Hey.
They used quadruple wing blast. Stop shaking your booty, Trini. Stop shaking your booty. Look at this creature. Shake his boost, Dex. Have you ever heard of forks and backs? Hey! Hey, stop trying to run over us, car. Let's just car go. It's your mom. Brah! Did you see? Boy! Oh, that's it. What? Juke you out! I juked you out. Brex, I don't know what these creatures are, but they kind of look like eevees. They both look like eevees. He's already tired. How did they get so tired that fast?
Because they're fat.
Oh, take that back. Wait, want me to knock some sense into you? Okay, boy.
Get some sense knocked into you.
I licked you. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it, Ma? Ah! What the heck? It's just creatures being nuts.
Oh, let's turn around and go back.
Are you crazy? You're Bruh, not cool.
Read this thing.
Why are you so bouncy? You're so bouncy. Creature. Boy. I'm gonna corn dog you. Oh. You want it? Okay. Boy. Oh my gosh. I can't. Oh my gosh, my arm hurts. For real. For real, boy. Look how creepy it is over there. I wonder what time it is. Oh yeah, Savage Wall Pixels came out 9 minutes ago. Savage Wall Pixels came out. Samples. Why? It's Savage Wall Pixels time. Okay, what in the world? Don't look at this. This is kind of weird. I don't want you to see something. That is a. Sorry, there's something something weird. Hey, yeah, I didn't want you guys to see it because it's kind of inappropriate, and I don't want to show inappropriate. So yeah. Hey, creature. Let's look at this creature. Excellent. Look at it. That's what he does all the time. Oh, he likes to pull. Trinity, stop going nuts. Creatureness.
eevee Trin. It's a K, baby.
You have to K.
It's a K back.
Who farted? Which one of you guys farted?
Dexter.
Dexter. Not cool. Nothing. Boy. Not right in your face. It's not in my face and it's gonna hurt. Unless it's far, but it's real close and it's gonna hurt. Come on, creature. Come on. I'm gonna go check out this other creature. Hey, dog. Yo, creature. Hurry up. You're so fast. Let me catch up. Brad, you're going faster than me.
I'm being pulled by Trinity.
Why does he like to pull? Look, you can see a shadow. Look, you can see a shadow. Wait, what?
We'll let the ladies catch up.
Wait, how come? How come I can see the shadow in real life and not in the video?
I'm talking about Trinity being, or Dexter being a little girl.
Oh.
Hey, Dexter is a boy.
What a piece.
Oh, did you smack it?
What?
Oh, you got karate
I
chops.
sure did.
You got karate chops, boy.
Karate chop
Does
me.
it? Oh, want a piece of me? Want a piece of me? Okay. Stop trying to block my corn. Okay. Want a piece of me? I just got you anyways. I got you anyways. There's a pine tree. My hand's in the way. Move, hand. Stop interfering. Okay.
Alright, that's it.
That's it. Dude, you must be crazy if you see a Trinity, which is a creature, and a Dexter, which is also a creature. Back at home. With the creature. Ow! Sorry, I started.
Girl, that's it?
Okay, guys,
Sorry,
that
guys.
is it for
Maybe you
today's
got that much.
video of the dog walking. It was pretty pranks for gangsters.
Pranks, they're gangsters.
And hope you did enjoy. Thanks so much for watching.